So if you saw my what I eat in a day as a raw alkaline vegan in Ecuador, you're probably wondering, damn, why are you in America now? I thought you were in Ecuador. In short, the reason why I'm in Ecuador is because I came back with the intention to help heal my father, who is sick with something. In my head, it's just better to try rather than not do anything at all. But in addition to that, I made a post on my Instagram talking about how I have not drank water all year. And that's very true, besides the fact of me having tea, of course, because, you know, that takes water. But today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what I have as far as food and hydration, fruits, you feel me, liquids, all of that for maximum hydration. So for breakfast, all I'm having is this honeydew melon half cut, and I'm also having, I was gonna call it H3O2, which it is, but plus this coconut water. This is probably like 3 full cups, maybe 3.5 cups of straight juice, straight electricity, straight hydration. If you do not know, H3O2 actually hydrates the body a whole lot better versus H2O. And I'll put some examples right here for you to look at, and just so that way you can know that this right here, your fruit water, is the best kind of water to get in when it comes to hydration. Electrolytes, the fuel, you feel me? It's gonna detox your body. I'm already burping. Proof is in the pudding. If you guys want to be able to do this plant-based thing the right way, definitely send me a DM on my Instagram, Tropical Jeremiah right here, and let's see how we can get you right, you feel me, lose weight and get fit within a short amount of time, because this also helps with accelerating detoxification within the body, which is going to work hand in hand with losing that weight. So after having breakfast, I headed over to my local park by my house where I usually work out at, as well as, you know, this is where I also do breath work at. Breath work is very, very important to do, guys, because when it comes to detoxification, 70% of the toxins within our body actually come out of our nose. So if you aren't incorporating any kind of breath work within your detox, then you're missing out on a whole lot more of that detoxification that can take place, okay? And actually right now I have a detox challenge that I'm doing, which is called the Raw Alkaline Detox Challenge, that starts on the 25th, which is the day after Thanksgiving. If you guys want to get 50% off that detox challenge, hit me up with the word Raw Alkaline Detox, so that way we can get a good colon cleanse, which is connected to dang near everything within the body, organs, glands, tissues, etc., etc. But anyways, when it comes to the workout, what I'm really trying to do right now is focus on form and activation even more than I already have been, because literally we do not need to do as many repetitions. We don't need to do as many reps as what we think we need to do. As long as the form and activation is there, then we will be able to get the most out of the exercise. I just had about like 4 bananas without filming it. Now I'm about to have 5 more, and this right here is going to make me feel more full. So I am like super hungry, but this right here is my one meal of the day. This right here is the salad, you feel me, with some steamed vegetables on top, right? So we got some roots, we got a squash on here as well, and we also got some okra here as well. I'm about to talk about this whole alkaline thing right now, but just in short, no, yes, I am eating a more balanced, whole food, high raw livid instead of just the alkaline livid. And I'm about to talk all about it right now. Let's talk about it. The reason why I'm not alkaline anymore is because, simply put, the body is a balanced machine. It does not need too much acidity, and it does not need too much alkalinity, okay? Also, you know, I was heavily inspired by this guy named Dr. Sebi, which I fully respect and honor his presence here on the planet, but I've learned too much about all of this to keep going with just alkalinity. And, you know, he really created that list to target people here in America. So with that being said, you know, I'm going to talk even more about this in the very next video. So what I'm having now is what I would call a snack. Some people may call it a meal, but it's really a snack to me. What I'm having is just cantaloupe, and I'm also going to have a little bit of a milk tea mixed with walnut milk, a little bit of water, cat's claw, nettle tea, and moringa. And this right here will be the last thing that I have for the day. This right here is very hydrative. The melon, for example, has the H3O2 content and also additional vitamins and nutrition within it that is going to be of service, as well as the milk tea that I'm having consists of walnut milk, a little bit of H2O to make the tea, and the herbs that I used were nettle tea, cat's claw. Nettle has a ton of nutrition. The cat's claw I really have for iron, as well as I put a little bit of moringa in there as well for the additional protein, so-called protein, right? Essentially it's just amino acids and some cinnamon. And that right there is all that I'm having for the day. If you're interested in eating as close to raw as possible, definitely check out my last video where I show you what I eat as a high raw vegan. It's very informative and will help you with eating as close to raw as possible.